Here in this video we have taken a jeans and making a design on the lower portion, so just folding on the downward side by using a safety pin and you will get this design. So how to repair a torn jeans? So just you need one thread, a needle and just stitch it up as you can see in the video, and after this done you will get your jeans get resolved. And the next here we have again taken a jeans and making a design on the lower portion by putting a pearl into it and making the plate. It's ready. So have you ever insert a hook on your waistline of the jeans? So yes, we are going to do this to put it on in different way and it's done. And the next here we are attaching a pad on the cutting portion of the jeans in this way, so just inserting it up and stitching it any kind of color, so you will get this. It's done. And the next here we are cutting up the sleeve, a black sleeve, and attaching it on the lower portion of the jeans and stitching it up with the green thread. You can use any kind of thread you want, so just stitching it up in this way, so you will get your jeans in another way, and it's done. And the next, if you are insecure with your chain or a button, you can attach a hook on your waistline of the jeans in this way, and after this done you can put it up like this and it's done. And the next here we have used a toothpick to make a design over the cloth, so just inserting a toothpick in this way you will get a flower over the. And the next here we have taken again another cloth and stitching it up in this way as you can see. So here we are using a red thread. As I have always said, you can use any kind of thread you want, so just stitch it up and you will get a plate in this way and it's ready. And the next, if your pant is get torn in between in this way as you can see, so just you don't need to go anywhere, easily stitch it up at home in this way as you can see in the video. And the next here we are repairing a sweater by using this earbud and knotting it up with the thread as you can see in the video, so you will get another way of design as well as you will get this flower. So have you ever tried to show your creativity on the sleeve of sweater? So here we are doing the same, and we are using a green thread to make a flower over the sleeve and it's done. And the next here we are doing the same as we did before, making a torn portion of the cloth to be resolved. And the next here we are inserting a hook on the bra strap in this way, so it will make your bra long lasting. And the next here we are again using the needle and thread to resolve the leather sheet, and it's almost done. You will get this. And the next here we are again taking a torn jeans and making a flower by the thread in this way as you can see in the video. Some are with petal and some are buds. It's ready. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.